Very good day, my dear students. Today in this video, we are going to talk about a document which has been recently released by the ICAI covering applicability of standards, guidance notes, legislative amendments, etc. for May 24 examination at intermediate level. So basically CA Intermediate May 24 examination. And since we are concerned with taxation, let's go straight away to the taxation portion of this document. Section A, income tax law, and then section B, GST law. So we will first see what does the ICAI want to tell us as far as income tax law is concerned. So the document says the provisions of income tax law as amended by the Finance Act 2023, including significant circulars, notifications, press releases issued and legislative amendments made up to 31st October 2023 are applicable for May 24 examination, and therefore the relevant assessment year for income tax is AY 24-25. So Finance Act 2023 is relevant. The cutoff date for amendments is 31st October 2023, and therefore the law as amended up to this date is relevant for May 24 examination, and AY is 2024-25. TaxBook Plus is fully aligned to this particular position. Now, what about the study material of ICAI? So the document says the study material for ICAI as amended by the Finance Act 2023 is relevant for May 24 examination. The study material has to be read along with the statutory update. So ICAI statutory update which the ICAI had released some time back. And it covers notification circulars between 1st May to 31st of October 23. Why? Because the ICAI study material is updated only till 30th of April 2023. Whereas the law up to 31st of October is relevant, and therefore the ICAI statutory update document contains changes between 1st May to 31st October. May, June, July, August, September, October, 6 months of updates, and there are lots of them in this ICAI statutory update document. Okay, and this is the link for that ICAI statutory update document for May 2024. As far as TaxBook Plus is concerned, if you check the first page of TaxBook Plus, it says that TaxBook Plus is updated till 15th of October 2023. Okay, whereas the cutoff date is 31st of October. So just a fortnight is in question. And as far as income tax law is concerned, there are only 2 items which you need to take care of. For that, I have released a one-pager document and also created an explainer video which I have uploaded on YouTube a few days back. I am giving the link to that video in the description box. You go to the description box, you click on that link, and you will be able to watch that video. In that video, in the description box of that video, I have given the link to download the update document as far as TaxBook Plus is concerned. In that video, I have clearly mentioned that these 2 items which you need to take care of for income tax law are only relevant for TaxBook Plus Concepts book. There are no updates whatsoever for TaxBook Plus Practice book. Now the next point, list of topic-wise exclusions. So as you know, ICAI comes up with a document specifying the list of topic-wise exclusions from the scope of syllabus. Okay, and it issues a document. So whatever is mentioned in that document, those particular exclusions are not relevant for exams, and therefore you need not study them. They are out of the syllabus for that particular attempt. So the study guidelines is specifying the list of topic-wise exclusions from the scope of syllabus, and topic-wise inclusion of clauses of section 10 in the syllabus is web hosted at this particular link. So this is the document of topic-wise exclusions for May 2024 study guidelines. And this is for income tax, and if you see basically topics or chapters, and within each topic or chapters they have specified exclusions. So these are not relevant for exams and these are out of scope. Okay, so TaxBook Plus is fully aligned to this, and whatever has been excluded from the scope have not been covered in TaxBook Plus. So you need not worry about doing the plus minus. You need not struggle on analyzing this document and checking what you need to learn and what you need to skip while you are studying from TaxBook Plus, because I would like to mention that TaxBook Plus is fully aligned to this document. So whatever has been excluded as per this document, whatever is out of the scope of syllabus is not included in TaxBook Plus. So if you study the TaxBook Plus as it is, you will be fully aligned to these exclusions and you will be fully prepared for your May 2024 examination. So this was about income tax law. Hope this is clear to you. Now we come to section B, GST law. So what does this document tell us about applicability of GST law? The provisions of CGST and IGST Act as amended by Finance Act 2023, including significant notifications and circulars issued and other legislative amendments made which have become effective up to 31st October 2023 are applicable for May 24 examination. So what is applicable for May 24 examination? Finance Act 23 and changes made till 31st of October 23, just like income tax. TaxBook Plus is fully aligned to this position, so nothing to worry. Now the document further states the position as regards the Finance Act is concerned. So the amendments made by the annual Union Finance Acts, okay, are made effective from the date notified subsequently. So for example, if there is Finance Act 23, there are amendments which are made by that act. It's not necessary that those amendments are, all of them are made from 1st April by default. No, there are different dates which can be prescribed, which can be notified for different amendments. And those amendments are made effective from those particular dates. And different amendments can be made effective from different notified dates. So whether all the amendments made by Finance Act 2023 by default will be applicable for May 24 examination? No. Only those amendments will be relevant which become effective till the cutoff date. What is the cutoff date? 31st October 2023. That means even if an amendment has been made by Finance Act 2023, but it is notified to become effective after 31st of October, it will not be relevant for May 24. So what we need to figure out is what are the amendments made by the Finance Act 2023, not only Finance Act 2023, but even the earlier Finance Acts. Okay, we need to consider all those and we need to check the dates from when the amendments made in those Finance Acts have been made effective. And whatever changes have been made effective till this cutoff date are relevant. Whatever amendments have been made effective after this date will not be relevant for May 24 examination. Okay. The good part is that all the amendments made by Finance Act 2023 have been made applicable on or before 31st of October 2023. So all these amendments are relevant and applicable for May 24 examination. TaxBook Plus is fully updated as far as all the Finance Act amendments are concerned. Now you need to note that in addition to the Finance Act 2023, the GST law has been amended by 2 additional acts. CGST Amendment Act 2023 was enacted and IGST Amendment Act 2023 was enacted as on 18th of August 2023. So now we need to check these amendments have been made effective from what date? So these amendments have become effective, have been notified to be effective from 1st of October, which is before this cutoff date of 31st October. Therefore, these amendments are also applicable for May 24 examination. TaxBook Plus is fully updated. It covers all these updates and amendments. Now, as we noted for income tax law, TaxBook Plus is amended till 15th of October. So 16th of October till 31st of October, basically a fortnight in question. There are a handful of updates which are relevant as far as this particular period is concerned. And just like for income tax, I told you, I had released a update video for TaxBook Plus, and the same applies for GST as well. You will find GST updates also in that particular video, and the link to that document also will be given in the description box of that video. So if you have not yet watched, I will suggest that you go and watch that video and also download that document. It's just a 1-page document for income tax and 2-page document for GST. But if you see the ICAI statutory update for income tax as well as for GST. It runs into several pages because there are 6 months of updates that ICAI has released, because ICAI study material was updated only till 30th of April. So therefore, from 1st of May till 31st of October, 6 months of updates they have had to release in that particular document. So now we come to the study guidelines for GST. Just as income tax, this is a list of exclusions from the syllabus for May 24 examination as far as GST is concerned. So topics of the syllabus and topic wise exclusions. Now if you note this table, I would like to mention that this is actually the same as applicable for the last attempt. The only changes which I can see here are on account of change in syllabus. So as we know, the syllabus has been changed and some items have been deleted, some items have been added to the syllabus, not only for GST but for income tax as well. So for income tax also, the list of topic wise exclusion, that document which we saw some time back, this document for income tax is also largely similar to that applicable for the last attempt. Only change which I find is the change in respect of the change in syllabus. So TaxBook Plus is fully up to date. It captures all the changes in syllabus and it captures these study guidelines, these exclusions in the entirety. Same for GST law. The study guidelines or the list of exclusions is the same as has been there for the last attempt. And the change, the addition in terms of changes that I find here are on account of the changes in the syllabus. So for example, if you see a chapter on place of supply has been added now in the new syllabus, and therefore the exclusions pertaining to this particular chapter have now been specified. Similarly, if you look at the study guidelines for the last attempt, you would find exclusion for TDS and for TCS. That means TDS, TCS were not applicable till the last attempt. That means November 2023. But now this exclusion is absent. That means TDS as well as TCS are now applicable. Why? Because they have now been included in the new syllabus. Okay. What else? Okay. So it may be noted that the amendments made in the various provisions of GST law for providing relief to the taxpayers of Manipur shall not be applicable for May 24 examination. So as we know, the government comes out with various relief measures which are mostly temporary in nature or which pertain to a very specific set of class of persons or maybe a particular state or something like that because of certain reasons. So we know most of us would be aware about the disturbances taking place in the state of Manipur, and therefore some relief was provided, and this is very specific, and therefore this is not relevant or applicable for May 24 examination. Similar is the position taken for TaxBook Plus also, where the temporary relief measures or very specific relief measures do not form part of the core law, and therefore TaxBook Plus also doesn't deal with these kind of changes. So in nutshell, TaxBook Plus is fully up to date, is fully aligned to this particular position. So this is all that I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope your preparations are going great. And as you know, if you have purchased TaxBook Plus, then you have my direct support till the date of your exam, right till the date of your exam. So you can reach out to me anytime. You can feel free to contact me or reach out to me if you want me to explain you anything on income tax or GST law. If you have any doubt, if you need any clarification, if you need any help from me or any kind of support, you can simply reach out to me. Right till your exams, I'm there with you. Right? So if you have any doubts, etc., you reach out to me. If you have any comments, you write in the comment box. And my request will be that do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon because it will ensure that you do not miss out on any video which I release. Also, please like this video. See, when you like a video, you help the video to reach out to several other students who may be in need of this particular video. So I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, to like this video, and to provide your comments in the comment box. And all the best for your preparations, and best wishes to you. All the best. Goodbye.